Welcome to Easy Fix. In this video, we are going to see the very common issue which we have faced in normal old bullet, which is nothing but the gear shift problem. So here, this is due to two reasons. One is maybe some internal fault inside this gear system. Another one, the way we don't know how exactly we need to shift the gear, because it's a very old technology. So if we are shifting the gear from second gear to third gear, means here what we need to do is we need to keep the leg as it is while releasing the clutch. So after that you can release it. So normally what we will do is simply we will go for the next gear and we will release it. So here the thing is we need to keep as it is. So if still we are having that same problem, gear shifting issue, means we will check inside. So just we need to remove the bolts. So the second issue, while shifting the gear, it won't get engaged. So for example, if you are shifting from second to third or third to fourth, it won't go to fourth gear. Okay, so that's a reason mainly due to this one. Okay. So if you have the issues, you need to change this part. Then the third issue, so here for example if you are shifting from the gear second to third, means it goes directly to the fourth gear. Okay, so that's another one issue. So that can be cleared by adjusting. So if it is very loose, means what happens, this gear fork moves easily. Okay, so here we need to make this one tight, and you have to make it as 0 pi. So that problem can be resolved by adjusting this one. Okay, so here what you need to do is just simply so we need to release it. After that what we need to do is we need to go for tightening. So if it's directly go to fourth or fifth gear, means what you need to do is you need to tighten it. Okay, so for example if it is very hard to change the gear, that means gear shifting is very hard, means here what you need to do is you need to loosen it. So here how will to check that, what you need to do is here you need to keep this neutral finder by checking the play. Okay, so you can adjust it. Okay, so whether it is very hard or it's moving slowly. Okay, so that can be adjusted by correcting this bolt. So here very important thing, this one is reverse threaded, so we need to rotate it in clockwise direction. To remove it, So here these are all the parts. So I have already explained. So this one is gear operator, this one is gear selector. So if we tight it too much means here which does not allow to move this operator. So if you are making this very loose means here what happens, directly it may go any other gear position. Okay, so that's why here we need to keep at a correct tight. Then here if we have any issues in second gear and third gear means here which belongs to second gear, this one is for third gear. So here you can see a small curve over here. Okay, so it's not this side, in the opposite side. So here you can see a small curve. So that is in that place here it get locked. Okay, so here it get locked over here. So if it is not curved means here we may have the problem of gear slip. Okay, likewise here also this is for the third gear. Here also you can see a small curve in this side. Okay, not in this side, here. So here it get locked over here. So if you have gear slip in this third gear means here you need to check. Likewise you need to check for all the gears whether you have any damage. Okay, if you have any damage you can change it. Thanks for watching.